Hi, boys and girls. So, as I'm checking some of the math assessments, I'm noticing we're having a little bit of trouble, especially with the perimeter. So, just a reminder, when you're doing the perimeter, you need to be calculating the distance around the letter, um, or any part that isn't consuming the outside of the letter. And so, A is actually quite tricky because this is all empty space, but so is the inside here. And so when you're doing this, you have to count, yes, the outside of the individual squares, but also you need to make sure you're coming into the crevices. This is 2 units right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then also the inside right here, this is also going to be part of the perimeter because it's the distance that isn't filled, that isn't covering the outside. And so technically these are bubble letter A. This is a bubble letter A, and the inside isn't going to be covered. So make sure you're going to be counting this inside part as well as the outside part. Okay, so I'm going back and I'm going to continue giving you guys some grades, but some of you guys need to make those corrections for the perimeter. And I'm putting 2 perimeter area activities on the Google Doc. Please make sure that you're using that as a practice. All right. Thanks, boys and girls.